Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to wash yourself in green hell so you don't get any parasites whilst eating foods. So, to begin, first of all, in the down left corner you can see above my sanity how much I am dirty. Also, if you block, you can also check it visually by looking at your hands, if they are dirty or not, or by holding down C and clicking inspect and inspecting yourself. Now, if you see you're dirty, wait for a rain and stand in the open space so that it rains on you, or go to a near water source where the water is going to be collecting. Hold down the right click mouse button and select the option wash yourself. This is going to make it a lot quicker to wash yourself, and this is going to also prevent you from getting any parasites from eating foods. So this is pretty much all how to wash yourself in green hell. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.